Hi, my name is Egor. Me and the team of Olga and Pavel presenting you at three chapters, which is a new way for player experience and model benchmarking. In the agenda, I will introduce ourselves. We will go through project scope, tech stack, and demo. So, name's Egor, working as a data scientist at CD Projekt Red. Olga works as freelance ML consultant at Upwork, and Pavel works with me as a programmer at CD Projekt Red. The main scope is to create a game which provides a unique experience with no limited opportunities for the player to alter the story. We enforce model to hallucinate by keeping temperature very high, which allows us to generate the most interesting stories. And this program can be used for benchmarking text and audio models. We were using the following tech stack to create the whole project, and let's go to the demo. So we will start a new story. It takes a while because it refers to APIs, but soon you will hear.
Chapter 1. In the bustling, smog-laden streets of New Orleans, 1892, you are a newly licensed detective, eager to prove yourself among the veteran ranks of the city's constabulary. The gas lamps flicker, casting long, dancing shadows that seem to conceal 1,000 secrets. Your first major case has just landed on your desk, a mysterious string of disappearances that have left the city in a state of panic. The victims vanish without a trace, leaving behind only empty homes and unanswered questions. The latest missing person is a prominent socialite, known for her lavish parties and charitable works. Her husband, a wealthy industrialist, has offered a substantial reward for her safe return. The pressure is on, and the eyes of the city are fixed on you. Your office is small and cluttered, filled with stacks of case files and the faint scent of old coffee. A map of the city hangs on the wall, marked with pins indicating the locations of the disappearances. There seems to be no pattern, no rhyme or reason to the abductions. You know that time is of the essence, and every lead must be pursued with vigor. What would you like to do first? 1. Visit the socialite's mansion and question the staff. 2. Head to the docks, where one of the victims was last seen. 3. Consult with an old eccentric friend who knows the city's darker side.
So the main idea is that we can have an input as a sound, so we can tell what the input should be. But since it's very noisy, I will not try to do that. At the same time, I would like to present you flexibility, and the main feature of the game is that we have some choices, and none of them seems to be odd. Let's provide a choice. I would like to take a selfie with my iPhone, and let's see how this goes.
You pull out your iPhone, a peculiar sight in the gaslit streets of 1892 New Orleans. The device's sleek, modern design contrasts sharply with the vintage surroundings, but you pay it no mind. You've always had a knack for blending the old with the new, and this is no exception. You snap a selfie, capturing the grimy, rain-soaked street behind you. As you do, you notice something odd in the frame, a figure lurking in the shadows, barely visible. It's a man, tall and gaunt, wearing a top hat and a long coat. He seems to be watching you, his eyes reflecting the glow of a nearby gas lamp. You lower the phone, your heart pounding. The figure has vanished, but his eerie presence lingers. You decide to investigate, your curiosity piqued. As you approach the alley where the figure stood, you notice 1. A crumpled note on the cobblestones. 2. Fresh footprints leading deeper into the alley. 3. A faint, eerie melody being whistled from the shadows. What would you like to do?
So as you can see, basically you can type into or say anything and it will adjust to the narration, and it will also keep the style all the time. So this is pretty much it. If you don't see any image generation, that probably means that we was not up to the time. So thank you very much, and see you. Bye bye.